Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the iPhone off to protect components and signal. Once done, locate the SIM tray on the right edge, grab the eject tool or a straightened paperclip and align it with the small hole. Apply steady, gentle pressure until the tray pops out. Don't force it. Make sure you're working on a flat surface and keep the tray and old SIM in a small dish. This reduces risk of dropping parts and lets you focus on the swap, not cleanup. With the tray out, lift the current Nano SIM straight out using your fingernail or tweezers. Avoid bending it. Next, position the new SIM so the angled corner matches the tray cutout. This ensures correct orientation and proper contact alignment. Once seated, lightly press the SIM into the tray so it sits flush. Do not force it. Inspect the metal contacts for contamination. If you see lint or oil, wipe gently with a dry microfiber cloth. Correct placement prevents connection errors later. Once the SIM is seated, slide the tray back into the slot with the same orientation it came out. Push until it's flush and clicks. Do not force crooked insertion. Power the phone on and wait for the cellular bars or carrier name to appear, which can take up to a minute. If you don't see service, try a restart, then reseat the SIM and retest. If problems persist, test the SIM in another device or contact your carrier, because the issue may be a...
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.